Okay, here we are about 6 months later. It's February 1st, 2021. And a viewer asked about how the airbags were doing. And yeah, I've had no problems with them. The only one issue I had was during installation. It was my own overlook. I had a small leak on the passenger side here, and I had to go back through and double check all my connections. I thought I must have had a pinhole in it because it would leak, roughly every 2 days. It would empty out the bag, and I couldn't find it. Well, I should have looked. I never did. I checked the actual air, the fill. That was called fill nozzle. The inner part of it here, the stem was loose. It came that way from the, I don't say factory, but so if you got the tool, make sure you got that. I never did double check those. So it was one of those aha moments. About a week later, I figured it out, and I tightened that up, and I haven't had a problem since. Haven't really had to put any weight in it this winter, but it's been doing good. I can't complain. I'm glad I got them. I got a video earlier this fall taking the camper back over to the other property, so I'll have to go. I'll just load that up with this so you can see that. But yeah, I'm real happy I got them. It works real good. Maybe I'll do a 1-year update this summer and do a little more with it. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty level. I got about 45 pounds in the airbags. 50 was just too much, and it arced up. But 45 seems to be my magic number. It rides good. It handles so much better. I'm real happy with these airbags. You may need to do a different PSI in yours. I don't know, depending on the weight of your camper and how much luggage or whatever you got in there. But yeah, pretty happy with it, and I'm glad I bought them. They've been great so far.